For which purpose Dronacharya Award is given? Excellent performance in sports coaching. Which planet can float on water? Saturn. Largest organ in human body? Skin. When Central Board of Film Certification established? 1951. How many divisions in Indian Railway? 69. Who made Grand Trunk Road? Sher Shah. Which state has longest coastline? Gujarat. Festival of Colors means? Holi. Largest living bird in the world? Common ostrich. First Chief Justice of India? H.J. Kania. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. First modern Olympics held in Athens, Greece. In which year first FIFA World Cup played? 1930. How many teams will play in 2026 FIFA World Cup? 48. In a FIFA match, how many players can be substituted? Unlimited. In chess, which piece can move L shape? Knight. In which year Satyajit Roy won the Oscar Award? 1992. Who is Finance Secretary of India? T.V. Somnathan. Who invented WhatsApp? Brian Acton Jane Combe. Capital of Nigeria? Abuja.